Hello Year 9 and welcome to my assembly on confidence. Hopefully this assembly will explain to you what it means to be confident and why confidence matters. So what is confidence? Confidence means being able to say, I believe I can do this. How can you build your confidence? Actively seeking discomfort. Keep trying new things outside of your comfort zone. Have a growth mindset and believe that the more you try, the better you will get. So you can see the picture there shows the comfort zone being in the middle, being in the heart of things. So it's anything outside of what you feel confident with. So your confidence grows outside your comfort zone. Seek discomfort and have a growth mindset. Remember that no one is perfect. If it matters, have a plan and follow it. Find your team of supporters. Don't be unsure to ask or find out. Replace negative self-talk with positive thoughts. Focus on the effort and not just on the outcome, and visualize getting to success. Don't ever give up, even if things don't go according to plan. Celebrate every single success and copy how successful people behave. Here are some confidence building challenges and I'd like you to have a think about this and see what would get you out of your comfort zone. So just take a moment to read those bullet points and think about how you can challenge yourself to build your confidence. There are some myths about confidence and how people perceive confident people to be. So those myths may be confident people don't feel fear. People are confident because they've done something big. Confident people feel confident all of the time. Confident people don't get criticised. Confident people get it right 100% of the time. Or maybe you think, I will never be confident. So actually, confident people do feel fear too, but they don't give up. And having confidence doesn't have to mean that you've done something big, because every small success can help you feel more confident. Everyone has things they don't feel so confident about, and everyone gets criticised, and it's down to you to spot how it can help you to improve. Everyone makes mistakes, and you also should spot how you can learn from them. I will never be confident. Yes, you can. Many people have developed their confidence, so can you. How to build your confidence. Think of at least one of these that will help you benefit your confidence. Just a moment there to read the bullet points. Everyone has got a chance to be confident, and it's about your mind allowing you to do so. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that your confidence will improve. Bye.